friends, here is Gauresh. I live in Shiroda. I am presenting your one video session. This is my partner.
Hello friends, here is Gaurang. I have completed here 2 months. I am from Aravali and I am presenting here one video session. So let's start.
तू कधी जाणार? When will you go?
I will go tomorrow.
ती कधी जाणार? When will she go?
She will go today.
ती कधी जात आहे? When is she go? When is she going?
She is going.
ती कधी खाते? When does she eat?
She eat.
तो कधी येत आहे? When is he coming?
He is coming today.
तो कधी गेला होता? Was कधी? When was he? तो when had he gone?
He had gone yesterday.
तो ती कोठे गेलेली होती? Where had he gone? Where had she gone?
She had gone yesterday.
तो कधी येणार? When will you come?
I will come today.
तो कोठे आलेला आहे? Where has he come?
He has come in Goa.
तू कधी आलेला आहे? When have you come?
I have come today.
तो ती कधी जाते? When does she go?
She goes today.
ती कधी खाते? When does she eat?
She eats in the morning.
ती कधी गेली? When did she go?
When did she go? She will. She went into Shiroda. She went in the evening.
ती कोठे गेली? Where did she go?
She did go. She went market.
Thank you.